with the specification, unique estimation, costing, and evaluation. Specification describes the nature, class of the work, the detail to the user work, the nature, etc. This very important for the execution of the work. So in construction field, the proper execution is required. For carrying out the execution, we have to know about the specification of the different materials that we are using in the construction process. Next, cost of the works depends much on specification. So the specification should be very clear, crystal clear. So cost of each work and cost of each material should be very clear. So the specification should be very clear. Next, coming to the purpose of the specification. So for what we are going for the specification. So to know the cost of the unit quantity of work is always governed by a specification. So the cost of unit quantity of work means the cost of each material what we are using in the construction. So it turned out the unit quantity of work. Next point to describe the quality and quantity of different materials procured for the construction. What exactly different material? Next, different material. Just one, like was plastic. So whatever the work we are carrying out during the construction process, for each one, it depends on different materials. So each material should be tested for the whatever the quantity we require, and we must check the quality of that particular material. So play the specification play the vital role. And it is one of the essential contract documents also. It specifies the workmanship and what method of doing it. And it also serves as the guide for the each contractor and the one for maintaining the how the work is going on. If work is carried out according to the specification, the contract is paid for the same. Any change in specification, change the tender rate also. So it is crystal clear the rate of each work is based on the specification. A contractor can calculate the rate of the each work, whatever the work we are carried out in the project. So tender rate without the specification of the work is baseless when incomplete and illegal. So coming to the type of specification, it is general specification and detailed specification. General specification, what is the main major difference between the general specification and detailed specification? General specification only describe about the nature and class of the work and name of the material. Coming to the detailed specification, how much quantity we require, how much quantity required for each work in detail, it will give the detailed specification. That is the major difference between the general and detailed specification. So it is used for the estimating project. In general specification, it is not included in the form of the contract document, but in the detailed specification, which is included in the contract document. So as we see in the detailed specification is formed part of the contract document, and it specifies the quality, quantity, and proportion of the material and the method of the preparation and the execution. All the details should be in the detailed specification. But in the general specification, only the nature and class of the work. That is the difference between the general specification and detailed specification. So for example, in RCC and specification for RCC construction. So shuttering shall be done using the seasonal wooden boards of thickness not less than 30 mm. This less than 30 mm is the specification of that particular RCC. So surface contact with concrete shall be free from the containing ground, nails, split, and other defects. So it should be ground should be very clear from the concrete. And these are the general points for the RCC construction. So all the framework is removed after the 20 minutes of the curing without any shocks or vibration. All reinforcement work come from the IS specification and free from the rust and PSI etc. So these are the general specifications points. So how much cement bag should be used for the assessment transaction for the different ratio? If we use for this conflict ratio, 1:1:2, then one part of the cement and one part of this porcelain and two part of the porcelain. Across 11 number of bags of 50 kg. So for similarly, for each cement conflict ratio, how much bags of cement is required? Next, similarly for liquid area, brick is required for 1 meter cube. How much brick is required for, if we use the fly ash means how much it is required? So it is for the some example which show the general specification of the first class building. If you take on the first class building, foundation and plinth should be in a line. First class because in a line model, 1:6 cement over the line concrete, or 1:4 to its likewise different stages of the construction in the building. First foundation, next to DPC, next to infrastructure, next to roofing and flooring. Whatever the specification we are carried out in the first class building, it is mentioned here. Similarly, second class building, similarly third class building, and fourth class building. So different parts are foundation, superstructure, roofing, flooring, and finishing, and doors and windows.